Hi and welcome back to the channel. Join me as I dive into the ultimate challenge of trying to make a Sagittarius man fall in love with a Libra woman. Let's see if I can crack the code. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to attracting a Sagittarius man if you're a Libra woman, highlighting the unique traits of both signs. One of the main challenges in this pairing is balancing Libra's need for harmony with Sagittarius's love for freedom and adventure. Sagittarius men are known for their restless and spontaneous nature, which can sometimes clash with Libra's desire for stability and routine. To make things work, Libras need to be flexible and open to new experiences, while Sagittarians must be willing to compromise and understand the importance of emotional connection. Libras are naturally charming and sociable, with a keen sense of fairness and a strong desire to please others. These traits can be incredibly appealing to Sagittarians, who value independence and honesty above all else. However, Libras must be careful not to come across as too critical or perfectionistic, as this can quickly turn off a Sagittarius man. Sagittarians, on the other hand, are known for their adventurous spirits and their love of exploration. They crave freedom and independence and can sometimes come across as aloof or distant. To capture their heart, Libras need to tap into this sense of adventure and be willing to take risks and try new things. When it comes to relationships, Sagittarians are notorious for their aversion to commitment. They need to feel like they have the freedom to make their own choices and decisions without being tied down by their partner. Libras who value harmony and balance in their relationships need to find a way to respect this need for autonomy, while still communicating their own desires and needs. We will discuss key traits of both signs, such as Libra's charm and sociability versus Sagittarius's adventurous spirit, and how these can be leveraged in courtship. Libras are naturally drawn to social gatherings and events where they can shine and be the center of attention. Sagittarians, on the other hand, are more likely to be found at outdoor activities or sports events, where they can indulge their love of adventure and competition. To capture the heart of a Sagittarius man, a Libra woman needs to be willing to step out of her comfort zone and try new things. This could mean joining him on a spontaneous road trip or trying a new outdoor activity together. By showing an interest in his passions and hobbies, Libras can create a deep and meaningful connection with their Sagittarius partner. Libras are also known for their love of beauty and luxury, which can be a major turn-on for Sagittarians. By indulging in romantic getaways or surprise gifts, Libras can create a sense of excitement and romance that will keep their Sagittarius partner coming back for more. Another key strategy for Libras is to focus on building a deep emotional connection with their Sagittarius partner. By being open and honest about their feelings and desires, Libras can create a sense of trust and intimacy that will help their Sagittarius partner feel more comfortable with commitment. Discover the pivotal strategies that a Libra woman can use to capture the heart of a Sagittarius man, focusing on communication, shared interests, and spontaneity. By being open to new experiences and adventures, Libras can create a sense of excitement and romance that will keep their Sagittarius partner engaged and interested. To wrap things up, remember that understanding and embracing each other's differences can lead to a loving and fulfilling relationship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on zodiac relationships in the comments below. Also, visit my website for dating and relationship advice and guides. Thanks again for watching.